Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable hotspot on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on connection and sharing. From here, tap on personal hotspot. Now to enable hotspot on your Oppo phone, just enable personal hotspot. And once you do that, you will be able to share your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection with other devices. Now you also have another method to enable hotspot on your Oppo phone. For the second method, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. From here, just tap on personal hotspot. And if you cannot find the personal hotspot icon over here, just tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen and tap on edit tiles. Under more tiles, just select personal hotspot. And once you select personal hotspot, you will add personal hotspot to your control center. After you add it to your control center, then go back. And from here, you can enable personal hotspot from your control center. Just like that. And this is how you can enable hotspot on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.